It is the 3rd of the month. Margaret, 71 years old, pours her coffee, picks up her phone, and opens her bank app, just like she does every month. But this morning, something is different. Her Social Security deposit is not there. She refreshes the screen. Nothing. She refreshes again. Still nothing. Her heart starts to race. Her rent is due in 4 days. Her medication refill is tomorrow. Then she remembers the letter, the one she ignored last month, the one that said something about verifying her identity with Social Security. She picks up the phone to call Social Security and waits on hold for 2 hours. If this scares you, please stay with me. Because what is happening at the Social Security Administration right now is real. It is documented, and millions of seniors do not understand it yet. Hello, I am Milena, and I have spent years helping retirees understand the rules that the government does not explain clearly. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly what changed at the Social Security Administration, the new identity verification rules, the nearly 2,000 workers who have left field offices, and most importantly, what you must do right now to protect your monthly check. I'm going to tell you the truth, calmly. Some of what you have heard online is exaggerated, but some of it is very, very real. And if you do not understand the difference, you could lose access to your own benefits for weeks. Please stay with me until the end of this video, because there is one mistake, a small, quiet mistake, that thousands of seniors are making this year, and it is causing their Social Security payments to be blocked, delayed, or even sent to the wrong bank account. I do not want that to happen to you. Let me tell you about Robert. Robert is 67 years old. He worked for 43 years as a postal worker. He retired in 2024. He is careful with his money. He pays his bills on time. He reads the news. In April of 2025, Robert decided to switch banks. His old bank had raised its fees, and a credit union down the street was offering better service. So Robert did what he had always done. He closed his old account, opened a new one, and called Social Security to update his direct deposit. The agent on the phone asked him to do something new. She told him to go to a website, ssa.gov/PIN, and generate a one-time code using his My Social Security account. Robert paused. He did not have a My Social Security account. He had never created one. He had always done everything by mail or by phone. The agent told him she could not update his direct deposit without that code. She told him he could either create an online account or visit his local Social Security office in person. Robert said, "Fine, I will drive down there tomorrow." The next morning, Robert drove 45 minutes to the nearest field office. When he walked in, the security guard stopped him. "Sir, do you have an appointment?" Robert said no. The guard told him he could not be seen without one, and the next available appointment was 3 weeks away. 3 weeks. Meanwhile, Robert's old bank account had already been closed. His May Social Security payment bounced back to the Treasury. His June payment was held. He could not pay his property tax bill on time. He paid a late fee. He borrowed money from his daughter. Robert did nothing wrong on purpose. He made one small mistake. He closed his old bank account before updating his direct deposit with Social Security. And because he did not have an online account, and because the field offices are now overwhelmed, that one small mistake cost him 2 months of financial stress. I do not want this to happen to you. So let me explain exactly what the rules say, in plain English. Let me walk you through what the Social Security Administration has officially announced. I am only going to tell you what is on ssa.gov and aarp.org. No rumors. No social media gossip, only the facts. Change number 1, new identity rules, went into effect starting March 31st, 2025. The SSA tightened how it confirms your identity, especially when you are starting a new claim or changing your bank information. This was done to stop criminals who use stolen personal data to steal benefits. That is a real problem. SSA was right to fix it. But the new system is harder for some seniors to navigate. Change number 2. Direct deposit changes by phone now require a one-time PIN. Starting April 28th, 2025, if you want to change your direct deposit by phone, you must first go to ssa.gov/PIN and generate a one-time code. To get that code, you must sign in to a My Social Security account. If you cannot do that, you have only 2 other options. Visit a field office in person or change your direct deposit through your bank's automatic enrollment service. Change number 3. The old ssa.gov username is gone. As of June 7th, 2025, the old ssa.gov usernames no longer work. You must now log in with either Login.gov or id.me. These are the only two options. Login.gov asks you to take a selfie photo. id.me asks you to take a selfie video or do a short live video call. You will need a smartphone, a valid photo ID, and a working internet connection. The whole process takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Change number 4. You now need an appointment at most field offices. Since January 6th, 2025, walk-ins are no longer accepted for most services. The only exception is changing your direct deposit that you can still walk in for. For everything else, a new claim, a replacement card, a benefit letter, you must schedule an appointment in advance. Change number 5. Nearly 2,000 frontline workers have left. According to AARP's reporting on official SSA disclosures, around 2,500 employees accepted a voluntary buyout, and nearly 2,000 of them came from frontline field offices. That means longer wait times, fewer available appointments, more crowded phone lines. Now, and please listen to me carefully, here is the part most YouTube videos will not tell you. If you are already receiving Social Security and your bank account has not changed and your address has not changed, you do not need to do anything. SSA states this clearly on their official website. I will quote it directly. People will continue to receive their benefits on schedule to the bank account information in Social Security's records without needing to prove identity. Read that again. If your situation has not changed, your check is not going anywhere. The harshest impact of these new rules falls on people who are starting something new, applying for benefits for the first time, switching banks, or changing their address. That is where the danger is. And one more important fact. Medicare, SSI, and Disability, SSDI, applications are exempt from this in-person identity rule. The SSA confirmed this in their March 26, 2025 update. So please, do not panic, but do prepare. Let me show you the exact 3 steps to take this week. Here is exactly what I want you to do. 3 steps. Take them in order. Step 1. Create your My Social Security account today, before you need it. Do not wait until you have a problem. Go to ssa.gov/my account right now. Pick either Login.gov or id.me. Have your driver's license or passport ready, and a smartphone. The whole process takes about 15 minutes. If you cannot do this on your own, and there is no shame in that, ask a trusted family member, a son, a daughter, a grandchild, or a librarian at your local library to help you. Once your account is set up, you will never have to go through that process again. Step 2. Never close your old bank account before confirming the new one is active with SSA. This is the Robert trap. Keep your old account open for at least 1 full month after you change your direct deposit. Watch for the deposit to land in the new account. Only then should you close the old one. And remember, you have another option. You can change your direct deposit directly through your new bank using the Treasury's Go Direct program. That fully bypasses Social Security's identity verification process. Ask your bank manager about it. Step 3. Protect yourself from scams. SSA will never text you. The Social Security Administration has stated officially, and I quote, Social Security will never contact you by a text message to provide or confirm information about your identity. If you get a text claiming to be from SSA, asking you to click a link to verify your identity, delete it. Do not click, do not reply, do not call the number in the message. If you want to confirm anything, call SSA directly at 1-800-772-1213. That is their real number, and you can report scam messages to the Office of the Inspector General at oig.ssa.gov. If you ever need to visit a field office, call 1-800-772-1213 first to schedule an appointment. Bring your unexpired driver's license, state ABA ID, or U.S. passport. Bring the original, not a photocopy. SSA does not accept photocopies. Before you leave, I want to say something important. The rules I just explained to you took effect quietly. There was no big announcement on the evening news. Most seniors I speak with had no idea any of this had changed until they tried to update their bank information and got stuck. That is why you cannot rely only on YouTube notifications. YouTube does not show you every video. You might miss the next critical update, the one about your Medicare premium, the one about a new banking rule, the one about a pension tax change. That is why I have created the Global Senior Alerts official WhatsApp channel. When you join, you will get real-time alerts about Social Security rule changes, Medicare updates, pension laws, bank regulations, insurance policies, and even airport travel rules for seniors, straight to your phone, no algorithm in the middle. And right now, when you join, you can download for free the Senior Benefits Protection Guide. It is a simple, printable PDF that walks you through every step we just talked about today, plus a checklist of documents to keep ready in case you ever need to visit a Social Security office. The link is in the description below this video. Click it, join the channel, download the guide, protect yourself, and please share this video with a friend, a neighbor, a brother, a sister. There is someone in your life right now who is one bank switch away from being trapped just like Robert was. You could be the person who saves them weeks of stress with one short conversation. I am Milena. Thank you for trusting me with your time today. Stay informed, stay calm, and stay protected. I will see you in the next video.